This was a great tour. We enjoyed the ride across Malta and the quick stops at both Popeyes Village and another pretty stop. The highlight was the boat ride to Blue Lagoon, swimming and snorkeling. Just gorgeous even while October. We highly recommend this excursion. If you love speedboats, this is the tour for you. And the boat ride is long enough to enjoy the beautiful scenery while catching sun laying on the back of the boat. This adventure was so much fun that I wish the tour stopped longer at the beach stop and town stop. This is a great trip, stopping at a beautiful lagoon to enjoy the beach bar and swim in the sea, and time in Trogir to explore. Well worth it. The trip was amazing. Captain and his assistant were great. The weather was perfect and the boat was really fun. The Blue Lagoon was beautiful. Fun day exploring. We especially loved it being a half-day tour, so we were back in Split at around 2:15 and had the rest of the afternoon and evening for other activities. Finding your guide can be a bit tricky since there are about 30 tour operators to Blue Lagoon, but once we got the right person, everything went great. Our tour guide even set up a table for 12 at the restaurant at Blue Lagoon for us ahead of time. Super fun time. Blue Lagoon is rocky, so if going ashore, water shoes are helpful. The best beach and water excursion we've ever been on. My husband and I are deaf, and the staff were so friendly and made sure we understood everything. We felt included the whole time. Highly recommend this experience to anyone, you won't be disappointed. Very nice experience and very fun. We visited very nice spots of a beautiful city. A bit expensive in my opinion, but still worth it. Great experience and kept us up to date on the day. Would recommend this trip rather than a long day trip. 4 hours is plenty and we stopped in 2 wonderful places. The 2 gentlemen were awesome. The skipper told us where we would stop, etc. And the whole itinerary was explained really well. The skipper gave me his jacket last night as it was cold coming back to the port. I would highly recommend this trip. This tour was an absolutely fantastic way to spend the day in Croatia. It was a good mix between swimming and seeing Croatia. Jumping off the boat into the water was some of the highlights of the day. The only thing that is recommended is water shoes. We forgot them and the beaches are very rocky. The company was very communicative via WhatsApp prior to the day, so if you don't have it, I recommend getting it or finding a way to communicate prior to departure. Amazing experience. Highly recommend this excursion. The captain and first mate made this trip memorable. CIOVO, Blue Lagoon and Trogir, just awesome.